Hi viewers, welcome to our channel. Now I am going to explain you about human male reproductive system. The male reproductive system produces the germ cell called sperm. It has to be transported into the female reproductive tract so that the fertilization will take place with the egg cell. Male reproductive system consisting of a pair of testes which are well protected inside the bag or sac called as scrotum. These testes are connected by a pair of vas deferens or sperm duct. This vas deferens connects one side with the urinary bladder and the other side with the urethra. There are many glands involved in this male reproductive system which you will study in your higher class. Now I am going to explain you only the two types of glands called the seminal vesicle and the prostate gland. Let us see the functions of each part. Now coming to the first part called as a scrotum. They are located outside the abdominal cavity because the sperm formation requires a lower temperature than the normal body temperature. Let us see the functions of scrotum. It helps to protect the testis and also it provides optimal temperature to the testis for the formation of sperms. A pair of testes which are well protected inside the scrotal sac, and the functions are it has to produce the male gamete called sperm and also it helps to secrete the male sex hormone called testosterone. What are the functions of testosterone? It regulates the formation of sperms. It brings about the changes and appearance in boys at the time of puberty. In males, after puberty only, the formation of sperms are taking place. Whereas in females, when a girl child is born, the ovaries already contain thousands of immature eggs. After the egg gets mature, it is released at the time of puberty. This is called as menstruation in females. One egg is produced every month by one of the ovaries. Next, vas deferens. It is a tubular part, also known as sperm duct, which can connect the testis to urethra. It acts as a passage for the transfer of sperm from the testis to the urethra and also it delivers the sperms to the urethra. Now coming to the functions of seminal vesicle and the prostate gland. The secretion of seminal vesicle which activates and nourishes the sperm, whereas the secretion of the prostate gland contributes the mobility, that is the movement of the sperm, and the fertility of the sperm. The secretions of the seminal vesicle and the prostate gland is termed as semen. With the help of this fluid called semen, the sperm can enter into the female reproductive tract and it reaches the fallopian tube very easily. Now the sperms are mixed with the fluid which makes their transport very easier and helps to provide nutrition to the sperms. The sperms, which are also known as the male gamete or the male sex cell or male germ cell, they are tiny bodies that consisting of the genetic material in the nucleus, and the sperms are made up of head, middle piece and the tail. The tail which helps them to move towards the female germ cell. Now coming to the urethra. In one side it is connected to the urinary bladder. At the time of urination, the urine is expelled outside and it is present inside the muscular tube called as penis. It is acting as a copulatory organ. During the copulation time, this urethra it releases the semen into the female vagina. After the releasing of semen along with the sperm into the female reproductive tract called vagina, these sperms can swim and it reaches the fallopian tube. There it gets fertilized with the egg cell. This process is called as fertilization. I hope you understood the male reproductive system of human. In my next video, I am going to explain you about the female reproductive system. Thanks for watching.